Hello, my name is Vakili, and this is my final project presentation for Info 244. My final project is a training packet for middle school students learning about online research. In my previous jobs, I've worked for schools and for public libraries on school outreach. I have learned that many schools need support with library resources and instruction because they lack funds to run a full library program and to hire a teacher librarian. So public libraries and schools are working together to support and supplement school curriculum to fill in the gaps in support of their students. Private schools in particular seek support from public libraries, especially if they have no school library. They turn to public libraries to provide their students with access to library materials and online resources. For my project, I used an assignment I heard about from a private school teacher whose school has no library. I used this assignment to frame my training packet. Every year, a local private school holds a speech contest for its middle school students. 7th and 8th grade students are required to write and present informational or persuasive speeches on a topic of their choice with teacher approval. Students are required to research their topics and to cite at least 3 sources. This is a great opportunity for the school to invite the public library to talk to students about library resources and research. Thus, I have designed my training packet from the perspective of the public librarian presenting information to these middle school students. I have used Sunnyvale Library resources to introduce students to the library catalog, the Student Research Center database, and a few internet search techniques. I will briefly introduce students to using Encore, the library's online catalog, to search for books and other materials. Both a basic search and advanced search option are available. Students will learn about keywords and about other search fields. Next, I will introduce students to the library's research databases for middle school students. These can be found on the library's website via the Kids Homework Help link. We will look at EBSCOhost's Student Research Center database, a good resource for middle school students. Magazines, biographies, and encyclopedias are just a few of the source types available in this research database. I will show students the basic search screen, where they can type search terms and limit by source type, publishing date, and reading level. There is also a topics list users can use to refine their searches. I will demonstrate using the advanced search option. Students will learn about Boolean operators, quotation marks for phrases, single and plural searches, and wildcard symbols. They will learn about the search fields, search limiters, and search expanders, such as applying related words and searching within the full text of the articles. We will look at the result list, at the citation, and at full text. Students can filter their results by source type and sort results by date or relevance. Students can also search the Columbia Encyclopedia database via the Student Research Center. This electronic resource is updated daily, and students can use Boolean operators and parentheses to control search queries here as well. Finally, I will briefly go over a few search tips and techniques for students using the open internet. In addition to discussing credibility and website evaluation, I will tell students how they can use Wikipedia to search for leads to possibly reliable sources, and I will also introduce a couple Google search features, such as searching by domain, so that students can learn about internet research for academic use. Thank you for listening.